Hey, it's Frank with Heneghan Services. Today we're here with our company, Connecticut Gutter. We're taking a look at this house. This house is over 100 years old. We're 1 block away from Yale University in lovely New Haven, Connecticut. And this house needs help. It's a big house. You'll get a peek at it in a little bit as to the complexity of the work. Basically what we have is a built-in gutter trough. And it's made out of wood, and it's been out on this house exposed to the weather for a very long time. It's rotted. The liner was done in steel, which is not used anymore. The gutter liner, water had penetrated it, got inside, and has rotted a lot of the membranes. So they're experiencing leaks and additional rot because water and critters have gotten inside the gutters and the soffit. What we're doing here is restoring part of the roof, the gutter trough itself, the wooden structural element, and then a little bit of this flat roof. What you see right now that I'm kneeling on is what's called a Sika system. It's a liquid plastic membrane. What we've done to keep costs down is go directly over an EPDM roof that was pre-existing. It was in relatively bad shape, a lot of seams on it. This new product is entirely seamless. It has a 20-year warranty from the factory on labor and materials. That's how strong and resilient it is. The red is simply primer, and we're building this product up. It's made up of many layers, and it's a system that we have to put together piece by piece. Also, behind me here, you see some nice new shiny copper. That's the gutter liner. We've done some restorative work to the framing members below the copper, put everything back together, and then we lined the gutter with new copper. That's gonna last 50, 60, maybe 70 years if it's kept clean and intact. But this will be ready to roll for decades to come. Currently, we're in the middle of the project. Behind us, we have some additional woodwork that's going on. We're getting everything framed out and restored for structural integrity. And then we're going to come in with some copper later this week and line it. These are one of the fun types of projects where we have a little bit of everything going on, a few different flavors of business: roofing, copperwork, gutters, low slope roofs. It doesn't really seem to end on this project, but we have about another week here and we'll be on our way. We're working down in downtown New Haven. We thought it might be fun to just break away from the job for a minute, check out a little bit of the scenery around here. We're at Louis' Lunch. This place is historic. They claim they invented the hamburger. They steam it and they serve it on toast. Very unique. I'm so excited to try it. We have 5 of them for the crew. We're gonna bring them back and have a little lunch. But it's rare for us to break away from the job and walk around, and I've been enjoying it. We're gonna take a look at the architecture over at Yale too, some of the cool buildings, and capture a little scenery while we're down here. Some toast. Looks good. So different. It's nice. Delicious. Louis' Lunch.